Welcome to today's video. Today we're exploring a unique and delicious variation of a classic Turkish dessert, Burma Baklava. Burma Baklava is a special type of baklava known for its rolled shape and rich filling. The word Burma means twisted or rolled, which perfectly describes how this dessert is made. Just like traditional baklava, Burma Baklava starts with very thin sheets of phyllo dough. But instead of layering the dough flat, it is wrapped around a thin rod or rolling pin. Finely ground pistachios are spread across the dough before rolling, creating a rich and nutty filling inside. Once rolled, the dough is gently scrunched together to create its signature ridged texture. The rolls are then placed in a tray and generously covered with melted butter. Next comes the baking. The Burma Baklava is baked until golden brown and crispy on the outside. As soon as it comes out of the oven, a sweet syrup is poured over the hot pastry. The syrup soaks into the layers, making the inside soft and sweet while the outside remains slightly crisp. After resting, the rolls are cut into bite-sized pieces and topped with extra pistachios. The result is a dessert that is crunchy, sweet, and full of rich flavor. In Turkey, Burma Baklava is often served on special occasions or enjoyed as a luxurious treat with tea or coffee. It's a perfect combination of texture and taste that makes it truly unforgettable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Burma Baklava, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which Turkish dish we should explore next.